ready?
Welcome back again for another video, and for this video we will be doing full draw for Mythic Rytec Nautilus. So as you can see, I have here 5651 CP. I know that it's not enough, but as you can see here, I have a rebate of 5425 CP points. This is from the full draw of Mythic Rytec Nautilus, so I got 50% rebate. So what will I do now is to spend my remaining 5000 CP for this draw just to increase further my rebate. So I'll choose the buy 10, so spend 990. Okay, so I'll just keep animation. Let's 990 again. Okay, so I got 20 here, so let's claim it. Okay, 50, nice. That's third draw. Okay, again, fourth draw. Okay, again. Let's click this 50 here for another mythic card, free mythic card. So let's, so as you can see, I have only 701 CP points, so let's go back to the CP rebate. So as you can see, I have now 7900 CP, that is rebate from full draw and upgrade. So let's claim it. So we can only claim this once. Confirm. So I got 700, so I got 7900 CP. Continue. Before we buy upgrades, let's try to upgrade this. 20 mythic cards, upgrade. Okay, okay, number 2 upgrade. 100 mythic cards for muzzle flash. Okay, we're on a level 2. Okay, level 3, 240 for the kill effect. Okay, we got now the kill effect. Okay, for level 4, 540 mythic cards for this attachment. Okay, we're now on level 4. Continue. So level 5, charm is at 90 mythic card. Okay, okay, so we're on level 6 at 120. So let's spin again. 90. Okay, tap again, buy. Okay, and another one. Okay, we alt another one. Okay, 50. Okay, another one. So we don't need to draw 990 CP for this because we have this. As you can see, this at the upper right, the 100. Let's click this. 250. So on level 6, for level 6 we need 120 mythic cards. Okay, we're now on level 6 for the muzzle flash again. Continue. And on level 7, the best part, This is what I like about the Mythic Rytec Nautilus is this skill effect. So let's upgrade to 50. Okay. Oh, 640. So it's lessened. I thought it was 1010, so it was lessened to 640. So let's click this and it's fully upgraded. So let's full upgrade, level 8. So as you can see, it's now level 8 and we still have the 280 mythic cards. This will be the final look of your Mythic Rytec if you choose Explosive Mag. But if you choose Thermite Mag, equip, this will be the final look of the Mythic Rytec, fully upgraded level 8. For the effects, choose this one, kill effect. Here, it's up to you what kill effect you want. Muscle flash, whatever you want here. The charm, whatever you want. Maybe I'll use this. Mythic Rytec with Explosive Mag will look like this. And the kill effect with Explosive Mag. See, Explosive Mag and the kill effect. For Mythic Rytec Nautilus that has Thermite Mag, it will look like this. So the kill effect, the hit effect of Thermite Mag, and this is the kill effect. Hit effect, hit effect, and kill effect. So for another kill effect, it's the rapid vaporization. Thermite Mag with kill effect of rapid vaporization. Hit effect of Thermite Mag and kill effect of rapid vaporization. So it's up to you what kill effect you like. For a gun inspection of Mythic Rytec Nautilus with Thermite Mag, for Mythic Rytec Nautilus with Explosive Mag, here is the gun inspection. There you go for the full draw of Mythic Rytec Nautilus. And here are the cost of the full upgrade of the Mythic Rytec. That's it. So if you like this video, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials, key mapping tutorials, DIY tutorials, and other content. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.